First things first, appreciate your support. This machine won't come on. There was a power surge. So let's see on how to troubleshoot it. You see, power is on. There's a red light over there. But it won't come on. So before you open the machine, make sure it's unplugged from power. So we want to check if the fuse is okay. There's a fuse here using a multimeter, and then we check the cable. There's a high possibility it was vibrating. You see, it's not well leveled. So we move the top panel. I'll show you the way power comes in. There are two screws. There's one here and there's another one here. Using a screwdriver. So from the socket, power comes here. There's a fuse here through this cable, and then to this, and then to the power filter. This is the power filter. And then from the power filter, now power goes to the main board, which is down there. We'll check the motherboard later on. So we look at the basics before we check the motherboard. The control panel. So remove this. This is the soap dispenser. Let me get the right gloves. So start with the fuse. Sorry. This one is loose. I'm not sure because I banged it or what, but let's check the fuse, return this and try the machine. I'm going to test for continuity. Put it at 20K. The fuse is okay. Let me show you how to test the cable. So remove this. This is a thing, and we're only going to test the two using a multimeter. So you see, this is the blue one. You're going to follow the blue one to here. Then we have the gray one. So what you're going to do is this. That's the blue one. So we plug this to the blue one. The negative one. Then we take this. So this goes to the blue one. So this we put to the blue one here. See this continuity. The negative is okay. Change it to the positive one. So we follow the gray one. So there's continuity. So you roll out the plug, you roll out the fuse, you'll have the cable. This is the power filter. On it there is a fuse, so we test this fuse. If it has no continuity, then we replace this. No continuity, so we remove this. There's a screw here we need to remove. So power comes through the cable here, then it's generated, transferred to these plugs here. This that goes down to the main control panel. Remember to switch off this. So before we plug it back, we need to test it, just ensure everything is okay. So still it won't come on. So what we do is now remove the front panel to access the motherboard. Unfortunately, this is too much work because the motherboard is right down there. Just checking if all cables are okay before I open the motherboard. There's one there, there's another one here. Better flat. These 3 screws you need to remove, and then you remove this and this. Before that, you need to loosen the door rubber seal. You grab this flat screwdriver, locate the spring. This is the spring. Pull this out. They close the door. The reason we are removing this this front panel is because of this. We need to access this. This is the control panel. So we're going to pull up the panel like that, and then we put it there. This is the door switch. So because we want to access this, so we remove this screw is on here, and there's another one here. So you push it this side, there, this hooks. So this is the control panel. There we go. The machine has blown. These capacitors are gone. Tough. Tough. Put it on power. There should be a red light here, but now the red light is flickering. See, the red light should be stable. So the whole of this panel needs to be replaced. Quite costly. That's how we advise you get a power guard. So if you try to press here, power is not coming to the display board from the PCB, the power control panel.